Hello, my name is Michelle Patterson and I am Executive Director of Direct Aid for Homeless. When you were 10 years old and people asked, "What do you want to be when you grow up?" Did your answer end with, "I want to be homeless"? The problem of homelessness here in the Valley is growing. Homelessness in Maricopa County has increased by 25% from 2017 to 2018. Alone, dirty, and unsure of the resources available, I met Darlene outside the Burton Bar Library in downtown Phoenix. Darlene is one of the many people living unsheltered in Phoenix. Darlene's story ends on a positive note. We were able to assist her and her service animal into shelter. Our team consists of myself, Mike, a USA veteran, and our wonderful volunteers. Our community outreach team goes out 5 nights a week and distributes aid and resources to people experiencing unsheltered homelessness. In the month of August, we distributed 2,600 food boxes and 500 resource lists. Our community-based outreach program is giving people the tools they need to get the help they need. A person cannot walk the 5 miles to shelter if they are hungry, dehydrated, and have no shoes. By providing people with the basic needs, they are able to live another day and get connected to the right resources. Our team has supported 35 people in finding permanent supportive housing. Richard is a 73-year-old Vietnam Army veteran who was found sleeping behind a dumpster. Direct Aid for Homeless understands the trauma that serving in war causes. As a community, the people who are experiencing homelessness do not trust others very easily, and we have managed to break down many barriers. Direct Aid for Homeless would like to increase the amount of veterans that we serve. Many organizations give out verbal referrals for services. Direct Aid for Homeless is out on the street handing physical copies of the resource list available. We believe that knowledge and information is power and want clients to make their own decisions. Each person we encounter on the streets is treated with the same right to self-determination and respect as I would treat each of you here today. Having an easy-to-use website is critical to spreading awareness about our nonprofit. It is key to helping distribute information about the many wonderful, unique nonprofits here in the Valley working with the homeless community. We are asking for $10,000 to help take our nonprofit to the next level. Here, having a user-friendly website is essential for applying for grants and soliciting private donations. Our long-term goal is to open an opportunity center with showers, laundry, and locker services. There is such a need out there on the street, and it fills my heart with joy to know that we are helping people stay alive and utilize existing resources. There is a lot of work that needs to be done to help people rejoin society, because no one is born with the dream of becoming homeless.